All right, y'all, this is my Jules Nanking cherry. Oh, it's a little cherry right here. Oh, cute. Baby ass cherry. I don't see a lot of videos on these, and I live in Georgia, so what I was told is cherries don't grow that well over here. Now, I'm starting a food forest, so this is my, this will be my bush layer, my berry layer. So I have a couple of fruit trees all around. I have about 30 fruit trees in general. This side gets the most sun, these like full sun. So I have a lot of weed issues. These might be carrots. These are not carrots, these are just weeds. All right, cool. Now we got chop and drop. Oh no, they are carrots. Look at that. They might have flowered, but I'm not too pressed about it. Some are carrots, some are not. This was a carrot from last year that I didn't harvest. But now we got some chop and drop. Let's see if we can find some more. Let's get some chop and drop. Back with some chop and drop. It'll help feed this plant as we move along. Type situation. Either slide it over the tree, or you can slide it into. This tree is small enough to where I can just slide it over. Okay, so what we just did, we put a whole bunch of weeds, grass, just stuff lying around that's either just go to waste or go in the compost. Pulled it up, like literally stuff like this, just put it under there. What's gonna happen is worms, roly-poly-olies, different kind of bugs are going to be under this cardboard, and they're going to eat it and they're going to poop, and it's going to feed the soil, which in turn is going to feed the tree. Now we got the cardboard. What does the cardboard do? It's a weed barrier, so this stuff doesn't grow in the same area, the root zone, as is Nanking cherry. So it's not competing for nutrients, and also it's getting nutrients as things break down. And it's keeping the soil under cool and moist, because it just rained a couple of days ago. So the soil is going to be locked in. What we're about to do next is grab some wood chips, put the wood chips on here. And what that is going to do, provide a fungal network. And it's just going to provide more nutrients and shade and water retention for the tree, because wood chips hold water like a sponge. So you don't want it straight up in the middle of the plant. So you want to create a volcano-esque shape. You don't want the wood chips right up against the stem, because that'll cause it to rot. And if the stem rots, then the tree dies. So what you do is you push it around the cardboard. Make sure it covers all the cardboard. Make sure the stem has some room to breathe. Make sure everything looks copacetic, and it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. This side looking like it's lacking a little bit. And now we're done. This is the Gabriel Nanking cherry. I'm gonna throw that right there for now. And now we're done. We're gonna let this thing do what it do for the next year. Hopefully it grows and produces more cherries. Hopefully this cherry stays on after it got planted, so I can see what it tastes like. But that's about it. That's really all you gotta do. I'm gonna do my entire yard like this with the cardboard and wood chips, but I'm working on it piece by piece as I plant different things. Appreciate y'all, I'm out.